Hello, lovely people. I am super excited because I am finally, I got my hands on an Elna Grasshopper, which is one of the sewing machines that I still have on my list to complete my vintage sewing machine collection. And unbeknownst to me, my husband had been searching for them on eBay so that he could buy one for me as an anniversary present, and it's arrived. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to do the unboxing now. It is a morning. It's been raining. The lighting isn't all of that great, but we just have to work with what we have. So let's get unboxing and let's have a look at this Elna Grasshopper. Because mommy loves pink. Oh, it's just a box. Okay, so the machine has clearly been kept in a garage for the last several decades or so. It doesn't have a power lead, but it does look like it just takes a standard kettle lead. So that might be something that later on I will look into. But in the meantime, the idea is I'm going to clean it up, make it look nice, and it will be mostly an ornamental piece, which is sort of what I was looking for, because it is quite challenging to come across these in full working order, because I have been on the hunt for this one for several years now. But I'm still happy to finally get my hands on one after several near misses. In fact, we did have one that we actually won and then paid for it, and then the person said that they dispatched it, but they hadn't actually dispatched it, and then it was just the whole thing. So I'm just really happy to actually get this. Now, I don't actually have the time to do the cleaning right now because we've got several trips planned over the next couple of weeks. So I will be cleaning it after we get back and get it looking, give it a little bit of TLC, get it looking nice and tidy. And then I have to find a spot in my sewing room where I can let it sit and inspire me, because I really do love the look of it. It is so cute and so adorable. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my joy and excitement at adding a new vintage sewing machine to my lovely little sewing machine collection. So, another thing I forgot to mention is that it does come with an instruction booklet, which is nice, and the instruction booklet is in French, and I think I can manage it, but I'm gonna have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.